It's very easy to gain weight on a cruise because there's food available to you 24/7. You just have to find the spot that's open, and then you can eat all you want. And that includes your dinners. Your lobster dinner, you have 1, 2, 3, as much as you can eat lobster. I normally get 1. If I'm really hungry, I get 2. The lobster also comes with the shrimp. And then there's your side dishes. You can have them or you don't have to order them. But all the food I have found to be yummy, except for those that I'm trying out to see if I really, really want it.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.